Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, thank you so much to my new subscribers. If you are not yet a subscriber, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also like this video for the YouTube algorithm. Now guys, today we are talking about Musa Mseleku. So Musa Mseleku is indeed defending Mpumelelo. Okay, now Mpumelelo is his son, obviously, so he is going to take his side. Now I don't know why he is always getting involved in this drama. Like, if it was up to me, hey son, he's not supposed to get involved in this thing. This thing is not his battle, and people are always blaming Musa Mseleku for the breakup between Mpumelelo and Uvuyokazi. But like guys, these children, they make their own decisions. They make their own decisions. We can't always be blaming parents. So someone on Instagram commented under Musa Mseleku's post. Someone by the name of Lihle Qoka commented and said, "Already lost? You shouldn't have let your son break up with his mother of two kids. I think you are still in the learning curve of parenting, as most valuable thing to you is the way of making money. Money is not everything if you want to be a good father and a great husband to your wives." And then he replied and said, "I have laid a solid foundation. The assumption that it's Sibindi who is on the wrong will soon come to the surface. That he is not wrong, but I won't talk about other people." Now, we all know other people. Uguti, he is referring to Uvuyokazi, obviously. So during the breakup, a lot of people, not even a lot, like, I don't know, majority of people were thinking Uguti, the person who was wrong was Mpumelelo, obviously. So when he is saying Usibindila, he is referring to Mpumelelo. I think it's his nickname or something. People were thinking that Mpumelelo is on the wrong, right? Even still today, people are thinking that Mpumelelo is in the wrong. That's what we are thinking, Nat. But guys, in what he just said there, we are sure Mpumelelo was not in the wrong, but I don't want to mention other people's names, and Iqiniso lizoziveza soon. He is saying, no guys, watch the space. Watch the space. You will soon see Uguti. Mpumelelo was not in the wrong. So let's just watch and see, guys. Let's just watch and see, because Mpumelelo has mentioned that Uvuyokazi is bossy and controlling. So maybe that's what Musa Mseleku is referring to. Maybe that's what. But asazi sana. The only people who know the truth is Uvuyokazi and Mpumelelo. Even now, Musa Mseleku, he doesn't know the truth himself. But it's not our business, it's their business, and the only people who can tell us what went down, it's